The moment I turn angles between around the doors and every cabin range, you hear the same thing, quality, and you don't ever lose it. So that's pretty cool. You taught me something. I like that, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Awesome. Nice. So you have a staging box back here. I'm talking about just subwoofers right now. So the subs back here and up there.
Yeah, they're completely separated out. This one back here, the fourth order is made basically for the rear projections. We got the sub, the base in the front where I can see that. And then completely separated.
Wow. Oh, okay. Are you able to turn one or the other off if you need it, or do you always play them all together?
I always play them all together.
Okay.
And so they basically we got them tuned in, so they play, basically one doesn't override the other. It's rare you see different 15s and 12s playing at the same time.
Yeah.
And
but it's different chambers.
That's right.
So if you were driving, you're not able to turn this off?
No. I mean, I can.
Yeah.
I've got the audio control, you know, and I got the switch. But we don't have it dialed in that way.
Yes, sir. Okay. So it's made only more for demoing everything open?
Everything open.
Sound quality?
Like you're seeing right here.
Yes, sir.
Sound quality
Joker? Okay.
Yep.
From Georgia? Okay.
Yep.
What area?
Valdosta.
Valdosta, okay.
South Georgia.
I'm from Savannah, Georgia. Okay. Yes, sir.
3 hours.
Yes, sir. Any alternator upgrades under the hood?
I got a 300 amp alternator.
Okay.
I mean, it's upgraded hot power, but it's basically nothing's modified.
Yes, sir. Is there a way I can see underneath? I don't see very many systems like this in Jeeps.
No, this one's I wanted to be a little bit different.
Yeah, and it's the Joker. Joker's Wild. Very nice. What year?
This is 2016.
Okay.
Like I said, this is my daily driving.
All right. Nice. It's really good.
Midwest Westfield lanes are open. Please come register.
Wow. You even got customized seats for the Joker.
Yeah, all custom seats. I mean, you got all our LEDs.
Mm-hmm. Wow. And you did all this yourself?
No, I had a creative car audio.
Okay.
Buddy Tony Pasquale down there.
Yes, sir. I met him. I think I met them before. Yeah. Wow. Rogue subs.
Yeah.
And all Apocalypse mid-range. Yeah. And then Rogue tweeters.
Rogue tweeters. We're going to Death Box bids, our bids. Rogue tweeters.
Okay.
Rogue subs.
Nice. So, how did you optimize your cubic space on these mid-range boxes to kind of know how much space to put in, or did?
Well, I said the way this one here, everything's tuned down, so we wanted a balanced sound around.
Yes, sir.
And so we're not doing anything that these Death Box can do.
Got it. Okay. Wow. But it's got its own chamber for all these speakers and like many little ports in there. Okay.
It's got a real great mid bass response.
Okay. And I'm guessing, are these a lower end sub than the ones in the front, or are they the same sub?
No, yeah, these are the Sundown 12-inch Vandals.
Okay.
And those are the Vandal 15s on the front side.
Okay, so 15, 12.
Yep.
Okay, but they're a different chamber. And this is a fourth order.
This is a fourth order.
Okay. Wow. And you did everything really clean. You did a good job.
The solid copper wiring. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? And just the little tweaks to set us apart from some of the other boots.
Yes, sir. Wow. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. If that's all right, if I can hear the inside. Nice. Oh yeah? Okay. It works. Yes, sir. So these things will be playing in your ear while you're driving.
Yeah, it gets loud right here. Now I do have a switch right here. I can turn this front channel off.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So that one is done. So it's not definite.
Yeah. Wow. Well, you got amps everywhere.
Yeah.
How many amps? Could you tell me like equipment in here real quick?
Oh, yeah. So we're running the Deafbox 2900.1s. They're going to the subs. And then we got the add-on running to the mids and highs.
Yes, sir.
And so it's dusty back here.
It's okay. It's okay. Everything looks beautiful outside. You did a good job. Wow. And then these are 6-inch ports. Yep. Okay. Nice. What are these subs rated for? The RMS, and what power amplifier on it?
Those subs are rated at 1200 RMS.
Okay.
And so we got the the Deafbox 2900.1.
Yes, sir. Okay. And it would be better to demo with these doors open in the side here?
Yeah, I mean, it's all gonna...
Okay. All right. Very nice. I'll get it.
Yeah, you'll see the difference. I'll walk around on the
I'm about to
outside
do that.
versus sitting in
Yes,
here.
sir. I'm going to hear the inside, and then I'll step out after about 30
Absolutely.
seconds.
Please, thank you, G.
I think I like everything but this part. I don't know, there's something about here, it makes me feel like you're not able to see the beauty of the whole build.
Yeah, and so
There's
this
this,
away.
yeah,
that's
but it's
one
still
of the-
nice. But I like everything but that.
So it's built for, like I say, for dueling demos where it actually projects that 360 sound so we don't lose any dead spots around the vehicle. And so
Every area you always can hear it.
walk all the way around, you're going to hear it all the way.
Wow. Do you have anything underneath in the front or in the front
My
grille?
glass has got to be all inside the vehicle.
Really?
So, yeah.
Oh, okay, so you can't put anything under.
Nothing on the outside. It's all got to be in here in the package.
Yes, sir. Okay. Pictures. All right.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready. So I'm gonna step out after about 30 seconds so I
That's
can
fine.
see the difference.
Of my days, you light the way. Baby, there's no other place. I'd rather be than your eternity. For your sun is all I need. You'd rather see me down than I was someone who don't care. You don't wanna see me winning while you fight yourself. You don't understand. Try to make it work. I know they're waiting on one of us to get hurt. They'd rather see us arguing when you're falling apart. Telling you this, I'ma break your heart. They'd rather see you do me wrong and waste my time. They'd rather see me crying than to see me shine. But it's the way up. Stuck with you until we gotta wait up. This love stay with me and you like a layup. And they hating, can't wait for us to break up. Oh, they ain't ready for all that. They ain't ready for all that. Where we go will never die. It's that to the end of time. They ain't ready for all they ain't ready for it. We got a bond, a vibe, something that money can buy. I am talking shit that I just pay no mind. I feel the stars align, God just send me a sign. Put your hand to mine, put your heart in mine. This is one of a kind, love is hard to find. You got it all in my spine, running back and hide. Damn, look at the time. If you mind, baby, way out. Stuck with you until we gotta wait up. This love thing with me and you like a layup. Try to make it work. I know they're waiting on one of us to get hurt. They'd rather see us shocking when you're falling apart. Telling you this, I'ma break your heart. They'd rather see you do me wrong and waste my time. They'd rather see me crying than to see me shine. But it's the way up. Stuck with you until we gotta wait up. This love thing with me and you like a layup. And they hating, can't wait for us to break up. Oh, they ain't ready.
It's very weird that you mentioned the sound quality, but the moment I turn angles between around the doors and every check cabin range, you hear the same thing, quality, and you don't ever lose it. So that's pretty cool. You taught me something. I like that, man. Thank you for showing me. Really good job, the Joker from Georgia. Your name?
Terry Adams.
All right, awesome. You have a good day, man.
All right, thank you, buddy.
Yes.